Who are the Aghoras? Why do they live in cremation grounds? Why do they worship Lord Shiva in the most extreme ways? And what is their connection to the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest spiritual gathering? Today, we are going to reveal unknown secrets about Shiva, the Aghoras, and their mysterious rituals that no one has explained before. Stay till the end, because these truths will shock you. Who are Aghoras and why are they linked to Shiva? The word Aghori comes from Aghor, which means beyond fear and disgust. Aghoras are Shiva's most extreme devotees. They believe that Shiva exists in everything, even in things that society rejects. That is why they live in cremation grounds, meditate on dead bodies, and do things that seem strange to ordinary people. But do you know the real reason behind this? Shiva is called Mahakal, the Lord of Time and Death. Aghoras believe that by meditating in cremation grounds, they conquer the fear of death and become truly one with Shiva. Science connection. Meditation in such extreme places helps them develop deep mental control and unlock unknown powers of the mind. The Aghori rituals and why they do them. You may have heard shocking stories about Aghoras eating human flesh or drinking from skulls. But is there a deeper meaning? Truth. They don't do this for pleasure. It's a strict spiritual practice to remove attachment and ego. They believe everything is Shiva. So for them, there is no pure or impure. They also believe that by breaking all worldly limits, they reach a state of ultimate freedom, moksha, hidden science. Some scientists have studied Aghoras and found that they have an unusual control over their body and mind, even in extreme conditions. Kumbh Mela. The connection between Shiva and Aghoras. The Kumbh Mela is the largest spiritual gathering on earth. But do you know why it is so important for Aghoras? Every 12 years, thousands of Aghoras leave their secret places and come to Kumbh Mela to perform sacred rituals and take a holy dip in the river. But here's a fact that most people don't know. The Kumbh Mela is directly connected to the legend of Shiva. According to Hindu mythology, when the Devas and Asuras churned the ocean, they found Amrit. To protect it, Lord Vishnu carried the Amrit in a kumbh and spilled drops of it in 4 places: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. But who stopped the demons from getting the Amrit? Lord Shiva. Shiva is called the greatest protector of divine energy. That's why his followers, the Aghoras and Naga Sadhus, make Kumbh Mela their biggest event. Why do Naga Sadhus run naked? Have you seen Naga Sadhus running naked in the Kumbh Mela? Do you know why they do this? Naga Sadhus are warrior monks who believe in renouncing everything, including clothes. In ancient times, they were Shiva's army, protecting temples from invaders. Even today, they follow strict yoga and meditation practices to make their bodies strong like Lord Shiva. They don't feel cold, pain, or hunger. They train themselves to survive in any situation. Power of ash, which is also called as Vibhuti. Have you ever wondered why Aghoras and Naga Sadhus cover their bodies with ash? Ash represents the ultimate truth, that everything in this world will one day turn to ash. Shiva, the destroyer of illusion, wears ash to remind us that nothing is permanent. Science connection. Ash is also believed to have antibacterial properties and protects against skin diseases. In fact, modern science has discovered that certain minerals in ash help boost immunity and energy levels. Conclusion. Shiva, the Aghoras, and the Kumbh Mela are not just about rituals. They are about understanding the deepest truths of life. Shiva teaches us that there is nothing to fear, not even death. Aghoras shows us that true spirituality is about overcoming all limitations and attachments. The Kumbh Mela reminds us that spirituality is not just personal, it is a grand cosmic event that connects the entire universe. Do you want to know more unknown secrets of Shiva? Comment below, like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing spiritual facts.